from Legged. I've had these for.
So you can bring my mom if you want to. She said take your time. What's in the rush? I said baby I'm the dog.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a get ready with me video featuring Unahubs bag. They sent me a beautiful piece. I can't wait to share that with you, but I will share all the details as I get down in this video. I do have a discount coupon code that I'm going to share with you guys as well, so be sure to stick around for that. Don't miss this discount. It is huge. So yes, I'll be doing a get ready with me video. I am going for drinks and conversation, and I'm super excited. I haven't gone out and just lying for a while, so I'm excited for this look. It will be pretty simple, nothing glam, just a simple beat. I'm gonna get my brows done. I might wear some lashes, foundation, powder, lip gloss, and that's it. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please stick around. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Shelly, and to all my oldies but goodies, it's always a pleasure having you. So with that out the way, let's get into this makeup. So I recently waxed my brows, probably like 3 days ago. So I'm not gonna be doing much. Again, I'm looking for a very light beat. And time is against me, so I have to make this snappy. But we've been doing makeup for a while, so we're a pro. This should take me roughly 20 minutes. It's not that serious. Let's clean these brows up quickly. And I haven't done my makeup on camera for a while. It's been a minute since I get my makeup done on camera. Okay, I'm done with my brows. They're not perfect, but they are related. So now I'm just gonna prep my skin. This is just a toner. And then I'm going to moisturize. Prepping your skin is very, very, very important. And then guys, I got these yesterday in Ulta Beauty. I've never tried the setting spray in NYX before. I've seen a few people raving about it, so I decided to try it. And then I also got the primer. So I'm gonna apply the primer now. Okay, it's a little bit thick. The consistency is pretty thick. So let's find out how much it will hold up my makeup. It doesn't smell like anything. It really doesn't smell like anything. I'm also going to show you guys what I'm going to be wearing. Something simple, just a cute little top, some pants. Light, guys. When I say light, I mean light, okay? So now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm not even sure if I'm going to do any eyeshadow. Should I? Let me do a little bit of eyeshadow. Let me see what I have. Let me see what I have here. Okay, this is my Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Coffee Shop palette. Let me try to do something quickly here. Nothing crazy. What should I go with? Ooh. Let's just go in with a pretty light transition color that I'm applying to my crease. I'm really not doing a lot. Just a little razzle dazzle. When I say simple, I mean simple. I'm going in with my foundation from MAC, and this is the Studio Radiance. I love this foundation a lot. This is really a rush makeup. But anywho, this is not a makeup video. It's really to unbox my new bag. So that's what we're focusing on. All right, I'm not adding a lot of foundation, guys. I want for it to be extremely light. I'm not doing too much. I want my face to look, you know, breathable, not too cakey, very lightweight. Guys, we're not spending any time to bake today. We just want to get done. I did say light, right? I did. I love this One Size palette blush. The colors are beautiful. They're so pretty. So my makeup is all done. Now I'm gonna get into the unboxing / reviewing of my bag. So again, shout out to Unahubs bag. They sent me this beauty. So this is the box that it came in. I also got the receipt. Beautiful. Oh, I got a little scarf, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. My favorite color, pink. Oh my, I love this. I didn't even see that this was in there. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. And then it came with the dust bag. And this is her, you guys. This is so beautiful. Look at the color. This is so me. Love it. And I'm loving the different tones of pink that is on here. So beautiful. So let's get into the specs of this bag. There goes my baby. Okay, I don't think that's gonna work. Let's stick to vlogging. So this is the iconic Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier in the 20mm, a true classic with a modern twist. The size is compact yet structured, featuring the signature top handles and beautiful gold hardware throughout. The zipper pulled is engraved with the LV logo and the craftsmanship. Impeccable, love it. Just looking at the stitching, so precise and refined. This particular piece is in a stunning gradient color palette, a mix of soft pinks and blush tones with a touch of white. It's feminine, fresh, and perfect for elevating any outfit. The leather has a smooth finish and the monogram detail is subtle yet luxurious. Guys, please remember to check for the discount coupon code. It is located in the comment section. Now, let's talk about the details that make this bag so versatile. It comes with an adjustable removable strap, finished with shiny gold buckles that are both functionable and luxe. Inside, there's a single pocket with the Louis Vuitton logo stamped in leather, simple and elegant. It also comes with the iconic LV padlock and key set, adding that signature touch of security and style. I love showing how the strap can be styled 3 different ways: handheld, worn over the shoulder, or crossbody for those on-the-go days. Despite its compact size, it fits all your essentials effortlessly while keeping its beautiful structure. Every detail, from the glazing on the leather to the sturdy zip, feels thoughtfully finished. I definitely recommend this bag. It's budget friendly, great quality, perfect size, and exceptionally stunning. So ladies, if you're looking for the perfect bag for this summer, then this is the bag for you. And finally, my loves, I've received this gorgeous silk scarf along with the bag. I decided to style it as a bow around one of the top handles, and it added such a chic, personalized touch. The colors complement the bag perfectly and give it that extra dash of femininity and flair. Overall, this Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier 20mm is more than just a handbag. It's a timeless investment piece that blends everyday functionality with luxury appeal. And this brings me to the end of this unboxing / haul for you. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and please don't forget to take advantage of the discount coupon code. Guys, this bag is beautiful. Believe me when I tell you this. So if you're looking to get into a luxury brand and you don't want to break the bank, then this is the bag for you. Thank you again so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned. I'm going to showcase my finished look and show you guys how I put everything together. Happy watching, you guys, and don't forget to join me in the next one. This is the outfit that I'm wearing, you guys. I love this sweater top. I got it from IKEA. It came with these beautiful bows. I think it's so girly. And I'm just wearing these jeans. Kind of like wide-legged, but not too much. It's a little bit baggy, but I love it. For accessories, I'm thinking about my LV earrings, or I could wear these ones. I think these are beautiful. They would also go perfect with it. Let me know what you guys think. But these are beautiful. These I got from Zara a few months ago. And then I'm going to be layering my necklaces. So you guys let me know what you think. These are the shoes I'm going to be pairing it with. I've had these for a while. They're very comfy. Yeah, so let me put that on and then I'll show you guys the outfit. Add in this belt to the mix. I love the button on this one. Two-tone silver mixed with gold. So I'm gonna wear this. Okay guys, I am all dressed. This is the finished look. The other belt did not work out, so I put these ones on. They're beautiful. They go perfect with my earrings, so that's fine. But look, I have my baby with me. She is gorgeous. Love. This is my new bag for the summer. You're gonna be seeing this everywhere. Yeah, I'm taking this everywhere with me. Love it. Okay. It's so beautiful, like, what? Yes, but let me give you the full outfit. Loving my shoe. All right, that is the look, you guys. Thank you so much for getting dressed with me. Now I'm going out to have a drink or two. All right, thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in